Hello and welcome to the Lifestyle Freedom. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, we will cover the topic on how to get started with affiliate marketing and introduce you to the 5 steps, quick start guide. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll get notified of the future videos uploaded here. So, let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a mechanism by which an affiliate makes money by marketing someone else's or a company's goods. When they find a product they love, they promote it and get a share of the profits for each sale. In essence, it allows you to make money online as an affiliate marketer without the costs and overhead of traditional business like the monthly rental for an office space or shop. Also, you can start affiliate marketing as a side hustle. Defining affiliate marketing. The first question is to know what is and why you should be doing affiliate marketing. First, let's understand the idea. The idea of affiliate marketing is simple: you sell or promote a product or service of another person. Being an affiliate marketer means you are selling other people's products and services to your email list, personal and business contacts both offline and online. You can also promote the products through review sites or social media channels. Indeed, you are doing a marketing strategy to sell other vendors' goods or solutions to the public. Note, before we proceed, I want to inform you that even though the idea is simple, many people fail because they don't treat and run affiliate marketing as a business. So, if you want to succeed, don't forget to invest in yourself to run this venture towards profitability properly. Just because you try something new online, it's no different when you were learning to walk or talk or learn a language. Now let's get back to affiliate marketing. In summary, affiliate marketing allows you to gain commissions by endorsing certain goods of individuals or businesses, other people's products. You can start by choosing a product that you like, promote it as effectively as possible, and make good use of your efforts. Is it simple as pie? You can achieve 3 things for 3 distinct people through affiliate marketing. First, for earning a commission which you'll feel good that your efforts are generating results. Second, you help a company or others to gain new customers they don't have already. Finally, you are creating a joyful, novel experience for your customers to discover a product that can be helpful and desirable. Let's be clear on this. Affiliate marketing needn't be expensive and difficult. In reality, it can be achieved with a lucrative result without the need for a big email list to direct traffic to the deal, and you don't need to have a big budget to get started. What should we have to make a profit from affiliate marketing without needing those things? When you apply them to the right strategies, a sense of creativity and a good work ethic will take you a long way. Remember, you need not create your product because someone else has already made it. Since you're not the one who creates the product, you don't have to invest your own time and effort in creating the product to be sold either. And because it's not your company, you don't have to do customer service of any sort. The vendor will do all of these for you, and your focus is mainly on promoting the product to generate sales. Affiliate marketing terms. The following are some key definitions that you need to understand. Merchant is the company that offers the goods or services and who gives commission fees to the affiliate through its affiliate or partner program. Affiliate program is also referred to as an associate or partner program, is an arrangement in which an internet merchant owes an affiliate marketer commission for each sale made. Affiliate marketer, also known as an affiliate, is the merchant's partner that helps promote its products or services to its audience and gets a commission when a sale is made. Affiliate network acts as an intermediary between affiliate marketers and merchant affiliate programs. How to get started with affiliate marketing. 5 steps, quick start guide. Now that we have discussed what affiliate marketing is, so how to start with it? The following section will provide step-by-step items that will help you kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. 1. Choose your niche, as this enables you to become a thought leader, an expert that your target customers will know, like, and trust for solutions to their problems. 2. Sign up for an affiliate program such as Groove Digital, ClickBank and JVZoo account. 3. Choose products that solve the problems identified in your chosen niche. 4. Promote the products or services from the affiliate program using a unique link that allows the vendor to track the people who clicked your link. 5. Receive your commissions from customers who bought from your link. Success tips. Drive targeted traffic to your site. This is the key ingredient needed to become a successful affiliate marketer. Hence, don't get tangled or even confused with so many tools out there or chase too many shiny objects, because your primary role as an affiliate is to generate targeted traffic to your offers. And only in this manner will you be able to generate a consistent online income. Check out how to generate sales blog post in the description below to learn traffic strategies. A quality product is essential in affiliate marketing. Avoid promoting crappy products. You can start to promote excellent quality products as an affiliate and start earning commissions as soon as possible if you are ready to commit yourself in a few hours to learn the correct strategies for standing out from the crowd. You need to send traffic to the product through an affiliate link or page. Then wait until the money rolls in. The next question is how all of these new customers are to be sent to the product vendor, which involves organic and paid traffic sources. Selling goods for other means you make a profit for yourself even without the pressures of becoming a product creator. So, anyone who does affiliate marketing needs to have an affiliate dashboard where all of your payments and purchases are tracked. Then you get compensated with bonuses and a commission based on the number of sales made. Ready to get started? Check out the full blog post listed in the description below or visit thelifestylefreedom.com. What is affiliate marketing to jumpstart your affiliate marketing journey? And remember, you don't have to be good to start, you just have to start to be good. That's it for this video. I hope you had some value and insights into how to get started with affiliate marketing. 5 steps, quick start guide, in the best way possible. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And, if you want to access more resources related to topics on this channel, you can visit www.thelifestylefreedom.com. Lastly, which concept from this video are you going to try first or focus on your affiliate marketing? Let me know by leaving a comment.